Your League client skin preview feature isn't working, leaving you unable to see your champion cosmetics. This is the definitive fix for that annoying missing skin preview. First, method 1, a quick client refresh. Simply restart your League client, then open Task Manager and end all Riot processes. Next, navigate to your League client folder, find and delete the config folder and any cache files. Restart your entire computer system and relaunch the client. If that doesn't immediately bring back your previews, the problem might be with your graphics. Method 2 focuses on display drivers. Open Device Manager, update your graphics card drivers, or even perform a clean reinstall from your GPU manufacturer's website. Running the client in compatibility mode can also resolve conflicts. Still no luck? Method 3 tackles file integrity. Launch your League client settings and initiate a full file repair. This process checks for corrupted game files and replaces them. Also, temporarily disable any third-party overlays or antivirus software that might be interfering. Finally, Method 4 delves into advanced client settings and a last resort. Always run League client as administrator. You can also try resetting in-game settings or toggling low-spec mode. If all else fails, a complete reinstall of League of Legends is your final step, or contact Riot support directly. Get your skins back!